In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display using Android phone. If you found whenever you get a call, it's ringing, but the caller name is not appearing on the display, then here is how you can fix the problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, simply go and press and hold the WhatsApp application from your device and then go and tap on app info, and here you get to see the WhatsApp app info. And under this one, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on app permission first. And under the app permission, make sure you have allowed all the permissions. So you'll get to see the call logs are not allowed. So I'm going to tap on this one. I'm going to tap on allow. And I'm going to get back from here. And I'm going to do it for the phone as well. And just need to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions for the WhatsApp. And right after that, just get back from here. And right after that, just need to scroll down and tap on notifications here. And under the notifications, make sure you have enabled notifications. And also you just need to make sure you have enabled the allow notification pages and others options that are disabled from here. I have enabled all this option. And once you're done, just get back from here. And last thing that you guys can do, just need to scroll down, tap on battery saver here. And just need to select no restriction. Then get back from here and tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. Tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here, and hopefully your WhatsApp call will start showing on the display. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.